Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create tab groups in Google Chrome. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. They look a little bit something like this. What we're going to be able to do is set up groups of tabs in Chrome. We can give things a title, we can give things colors, and we can create as many of these as you want. It can be really great for organizing your Google Chrome. You can even edit text, you can create it automatically. It's really, really easy to do, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. So to start things out, we are going to have to come to this link. It's chrome.com//flags. Now this is going to open up some features and experimental features that Chrome is currently working on. So this is one extra thing I'll mention. This tab groups feature is currently in like a beta or experimental phase. So it's not exactly in Google Chrome just yet, but we can enter in to be able to test it, work around it. And right now it works pretty well. So all you need to do is come to this link. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. Just open it up and enter in your Google Chrome. From this point, what we're going to be doing is searching for tab groups. What we can do is come to the search on top and we can just type tab groups. And you can see it'll be the only option right here. Once this opens up, most likely for you, this will be disabled. What we'll be able to do is set it to enabled, and then you will have to restart your Chrome, and then you will be able to have the tab groups enabled. Once you have your tab groups set up, to create a new tab group, what you can do is right click on any tab in Google Chrome, and you can select add to new group. Now what this is going to do is automatically assign it a random color, and you can see this tab will be grouped into this section. To actually rename or change the color, what you can do is click on the color on the left. You'll have the option here to change the name. If I enter some gibberish here, you can see it works just like that. And I'll also have the option to change the color to any of these preset colors right here. So you can see I can set it to blue as an example. Now any tab I open in a new window from this tab will be automatically nested inside my tabs. But if I open up a new tab for an example and search something random on Chrome, you'll see it won't actually be nested into this tab. If I would like to make it into this tab group, I can drag it inside here. And if I would like it outside it, I can either drag it outside the border to the left or outside the border to the right. If I want to nest it, you can see it automatically grabs the color and it works really nicely. But I do think this is a really, really nice feature, especially if you're one of those people who opens up a lot of windows like me. I will manually have to put them in place. But with this, it's a little bit easier to manage, especially with the little naming feature. It's a really, really nice thing, and you can group by color and you can really start to organize your tabs a little bit better. Anyway, guys, it's that easy to create tab groups in Chrome. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.